Hey, what's up? This is Jamal Abbott, here to show you how to integrate your Google Calendar with 8x8 video meetings. On the screen that I'm on right now, this is actually the 8x8 Virtual Office desktop app. And then you can see here on the Meetings tab, I actually have a couple of options to integrate my calendar. You click here, that's to do it for Google, and there's another option here for Office 365. Once you click this, it's going to take you to another screen, which is going to pop up the Meetings plugin for Google Calendar. All you have to do at this point is click to install, and it's going to take you to another page which shows you Virtual Office Meetings for Google. There's a couple things to keep in mind about this plugin. There's actually two versions of this. One for Virtual Office Meetings users, which is the screen that we're currently on right now, and then there's another plugin for 8x8 video meetings. That's a standalone app separate from Virtual Office, which allows users just to use that meeting functionality separate from this. The plugins work pretty much identical, and they give you that ability to integrate with your calendar. For the purposes of this video, we're actually just going to do this for Virtual Office, but just understand this works just the same as it would for the standalone application. We're going to go ahead and add this to Chrome, and it's going to ask you to add this extension. So we're going to go ahead and add that. And now it's been loaded. So at this time, I'm ready to schedule a meeting. I'm gonna go ahead and go over to my calendar, and I'm just gonna pick a random spot here on the calendar, nothing too specific. And you see right here, we already have this option to add 8x8 video meetings. If I click that, it's gonna generate a random name for 8x8 video meetings. The other thing that you can do from this screen is actually log in, so it'll populate with your custom meeting ID. So I'm going to log in from this screen, and it's going to prompt me for my credentials. And then now you can see at this point we're ready to go either with this custom meeting that has been generated here, or I can generate my own personal meeting space. So I'm going to show you what that looks like once again. We're back at the calendar screen, and I'm just going to pick a random time here. I can add this 8x8 video meetings, which will now default to the personal meeting space assigned to my 8x8 account. You can also see here towards the bottom, there's some information about how to join the meeting for the meeting participants. And all I need to do at this point is just to confirm that the settings are accurate on my end. Once I confirm the settings are accurate, just going to hit save, and now this event's saved. Now that we have our meeting scheduled, it's just a matter of clicking on this event and then joining the meeting. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the start the video meeting, and we're in. So it's just that simple. If you have any questions about how this is done or anything else that is missing from this video, please let me know. Hit me up, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.